What I like best about Schatz Orthodontics is they treat you like family from the first day I ever came in.
They're very clear on what they're going to do during my whole process and everything in my procedure. It was always communicated with me what was going to be done and what could be done and any options that I could choose from.
I love it when we walk in and are greeted so nicely by Leslie. You know, if we have early morning appointments, there's coffee, so I can get my morning fix. I love how my kids, well, if they have to wait, they can watch Netflix while they're getting their teeth worked on. There's always something to do here.
It never really feels like a business interaction. It feels like I'm showing up to have care provided to me versus showing up to purchase a service or product or something. Usually I'm heading straight back there as soon as I come in. Maybe sometimes I'll wait a minute or two, but it's never very long, and then we just head back there, meet and greet for a little bit, and then get down to business. They check out, make sure everything's going fine and stuff, and if it is, then I'm out of here, and if it's not, then we figure out what we need to do to get back on being in the right place.
I think one thing that sets us apart is that we're a more tailored type of practice. I've developed or designed my practice to be a single doctor practice right now, where I see every patient that comes through the door every time they come through the door. And I guess I focused on not having such a large complex organization and spending more of my time focusing on treating my patient. We have a comfortable atmosphere. I think we try to create an ambiance around here that kind of relaxes you, catches you off guard maybe when you first come in here. We do all manner of orthodontic care. We do all different types of appliances. So we use fixed appliances, metal braces. We use clear aesthetic braces as well, and we do aligners, which are clear plastic trays that move the teeth, like Invisalign. We have a nice, very, very experienced staff, and they have many, many years. Some of them have been practicing orthodontics before I even practiced orthodontics. So they bring with them a wealth of knowledge and wisdom and ability to deal with lots of different problems.
My name is Susan, and I've been working here 10 years now. My favorite thing about working here at Schatz Orthodontics is seeing the end result of our patients, like once they go through braces and then they get their braces off. They're so excited, and you just see just how happy they are and how confident they are, and that makes me happy also. Just seeing the patient from the very beginning, we see them as young as 7 and 8, and then they grow up with our practice. They just feel like family to us because we know them as little kids, and then all of a sudden they're teenagers. And then, we see some kids going off to college, and it's amazing to see that.
Well, the whole team is absolutely amazing. The patients are awesome. It's just a fun-filled place to be. Everybody's just always in a good mood and having a great time.
I would refer Dr. Schatz definitely to all my friends and family, only because our experience with both of my children has been outstanding, and we've never had a bad experience whatsoever, and the whole thing is just very smooth. The process is easy, and it's a long-term relationship, and so when you go and have that long-term relationship with an orthodontist, you want it to be somebody that you have a good relationship with, and I feel like he does an outstanding job both with my children and with the parents.
So my mission for the practice is to provide my patients beautiful, healthy smiles in a relaxing, encouraging, positive atmosphere. We offer appointment times that are outside of school time or outside of work time. So we have early morning appointments. That's really a very important time of day for us to see our patients. We also try to group our patients together and take into account families have busy schedules. They have multiple things going on with their kids, and if we can make their appointment one time instead of multiple appointments spread out over time for their family and put them all together, then that's something we can do most of the time. How can we accommodate patients' financial concerns? We have several different things I can think of that we do. First, we help file insurance. That's a complex thing sometimes, and we have a staff that helps patients work through that process, and that's always a good thing. The other thing that comes to mind is discounts that we offer certain patients. We offer discounts to certain groups, teachers, first responders, and those serving the military all get good discounts, as well as family members that have other people that have been treating the practice. My favorite thing about my job is actually interacting with my patients. It can make a day that's not going so great, and I sit down with a patient, whether it be an adult, a child, whatever, and just talking to them just is so much fun. And I love the work I do on their teeth. I mean, I love giving them a nice smile. It's fun to see a plan that you put together 2 years ago start to come together at the end 2 years later or whatever, or shorter in some cases. But it's a lot of fun as well.